Valentine's Day is right around the corner, and I thought I'd take the opportunity to do a little something for the people that I love. There used to be a day where I expressed my love most through baked goods. As seasons have changed and my priorities have shifted, I don't do as much baking anymore, but I had a day to myself and an instinct to set up my mixer, and I decided to seize the opportunity. If you've joined me on my channel before, you may know that most of my videos aren't quite like this one. I, like many these days, can easily get caught up in the glorification of hustle and productivity. But, as you've heard me say before, some of the best things in life are actually the little things. This year, I'm trying to focus on slowing down a little bit more, to practice what I preach, to dwell in the present a little bit more intentionally, to find the beauty in the mundane, and to take a day to bake my loved ones some special cookies rather than checking off the boxes on my ever-growing to-do list. In case you're new here, I should say that my name is Amber. I'm not an artist or a home designer or even a baker. I'm just a creative soul bursting at the seams to use my hands to try any project I feel inspired by. I used to bake sugar cookies as a side gig, but I don't do that anymore. Even 5 years after giving it up, these motions are effortlessly programmed in my body. It's like jumping back on a bike or singing an old song that comes on the radio. In fact, I didn't even need to reference my old recipe today. It still lives up in my head after many, many years of cracking eggs, measuring flour, and rolling dough. But if you want it to, I'll share the link to another video I made that shows you how to do exactly what I'm doing here.
Say something that will make my day, 'cause these memories of her won't go away. Haunting me so I can't sleep. She was a pretty little liar who cut me deep, 'cause she left me here alone. Now my bed feels just like cobblestone. Oh, why did she go? Oh, was I supposed to know that she'd leave? Was I too naive to think that she'd be the one? Whoa, why did she go?
Now, I know Valentine's Day has a reputation for being a commercial holiday, but I still really love it. The celebration of love. Romantic love is definitely pretty special, and I count myself lucky to have found my own soulmate. But that love just scratches the surface. What about the love you feel for a friend who's been by your side through thick and thin? Or the loyal love of a beloved fur baby? How about the unconditional love of a parent, or the gentle love of a caregiver, or the unbreakable love of a sibling? I think that those types of love are all worth celebrating on Valentine's Day, not just the mushy, a dozen roses and heart-shaped chocolates kind.
Was I naive to think that she'd be the one? Whoa. Just tell me, why did she go? Why did she go? Whoa. Was I supposed to know that she'd leave? Was I naive to think that she'd be the one? Whoa. Just tell me, why did she go?
If you aren't a fan of the commercial side of this holiday, I wonder if there's a different way you can show someone that you love them this Valentine's Day. Yes, it traditionally glorifies gifts, but what about an encouraging word, a helpful gesture, a comforting hug, or even just your undivided attention? Maybe you could send an old friend a thoughtful note in the mail, or give your 90-year-old grandpa a call. Maybe you could sit down with your daughter after school and ask her how her day really was. Or maybe, just maybe, you could bake a plate of cookies. I appreciate that you took the time to slow down with me today as I baked these. I know this video was a little different than my usual content, but I hope you enjoyed watching it just as much as I enjoyed pulling it together. I hope that you finished this video with a renewed sense of inspiration, whether that be to bake a batch of cookies yourself or simply just to slow down.